Libra.
Hello mga ka-amethyst ko. This is my annual reading for you mga nasa zodiac sign, Sun, Moon, and Rising, Libra. Okay? Pinake sure ko maayos yun. But anyways, this year's reading for you, buong taon, it will be a random reading. Take what's going to resonate and leave the rest. Share this with your family, friends, or anyone that you know that deserves to hear the message for this year. At ito ay Seven of Spades. Libra, kung may mga masamang ginawa sa'yo, may mga maling ginawa sa'yo in front of you or behind your back, I can guarantee you that there will be consequences. You will witness, you will learn that there will be karma or results in a bad way for those who did to you, who did it to you. This can also mean that kung nagkaroon ng crisis last year ang buhay mo, posibleng may maranasan ganong halos na crisis ngayon or higit pa. It depends on whatever you did for the past years of the past few years before ngayong taong ito. So, ang sumunod na baraha, lalo na kung related sa work, career, or trabaho. If you did really, really well and you were, kind, nice, or genuine with your interactions and efforts, hindi naman tayo perfect, pero majority ng panahon ikaw ay nagtatrabaho at ang intention mo para magtrabaho ay mabuti, wala kang nilalamangan, guarantee you will definitely experience the efforts, the fruits of your labor. Okay? At the same time, you will know, learn, and see, witness the consequences, the results of whomever gumawa ng mga mali sa'yo. Okay? Hindi ko ma-reiterate kasi ayoko ng negative things na i-share, but anyways, lumabas na rin siya. Lalo na kung kinonfront ka, inaway ka, nagkaroon ng problema, ginawan ka ng mali, ginamit ka over a situation, creating a bad story with other people, things like that. Baka dumating sa point that this year you will experience those people who did wrong to you ay humingi ng tawad, or they will attempt to reconcile or blame you for everything. But hold your course. Okay? Stay stable ka dapat. Establish mo yung sarili mo that you will be very confident beginning this month pa lang ng January while I'm doing this full moon, that you're making the right decision. That you made the right decision. It will be very clear na marami kang nagawang tama by the past few months or even years. Kaya, uumpisahan mo ng anihin yun ngayong taon. Okay? If there will be crisis or turbulence within your family life, apektado ito ang love life mo or pakikipagrelasyon. In a good way actually, kasi tingin ko you will celebrate with your love partner, your wife, husband, or girlfriend, boyfriend, ganyan. There will be celebrations na kasama kayong dalawa. There will be reasons for you to celebrate life within this year. And at 10 o'clock, kung ano mang celebrations or mga events related sa pagbuo ng pamilya, pag may make sure na masaya ang family with you and your partner, will last for a longer period of time. Ngayon, ang iyong first quarter will be, stay focused. I-make sure mo yung gusto mong maganap or yung siguradong reality magaganap. yung mga plano mo, ay, ano mo na, isulat mo na. Hindi mo lang papangarapin, pero uumpisahan mo ng gumawa ng paraan unti-unti. And if you want higher rate success na ma-fulfill yan at mag-umpisa within this year, then you have to listen to your boss or to those people who are successful. It's very, very important na meron kang nakikinggan, na-follow, professors, teachers, mentors, ganyan. Kasi they can influence you, they can, inspire you, motivate you. It's a big deal, okay? Tingin ko within this year, you'll be speaking in public or ikaw yung nakikinig while there's a mentor in front of you, okay? At malaking bagay yung para sa'yo. Second quarter, Diamond, you'll be very busy with friends and colleagues. Paglawak ng network mo yan within the second quarter. Third quarter, traffic club, mag-iisip bata ka, magtatantrum ka, or may mga nag-iisip bata at magtatantrum sa paligid mo, maraming toxic, so you have to be very careful. Last quarter, 3 Diamond, there's a big ascension or pag-angat sa status mo, possible of traveling or planning to travel the next year, okay? Ito naman ang ating tarot card for you. Okay, Libra. Oh, Star in reverse. Ayaw mo nang mapapansin this year. For sure, yung papaka-low-key ka. Or you will notice na parang kailangan ko magpaganda kasi parang hindi na ako masyadong beautiful, hindi na ako masyadong guwapo. So, beautification is what you're gonna start within this year. Queen of Cups in reverse also. Makita mo sa iba na kailangan i-inspire sila. So, para ma-inspire mo sila, gagawin mo muna. Message ng tarot card. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa Oracle card. At ang card na ito para sa iyo ay in the flow. Everything will be smooth sailing within this year. Follow your bliss, follow your North Star. You'll be navigating by the stars. Crossing the bridges, kahit nung hindi pa nagaganap, be excited, be happy, be confident about it. Last one. Because there's a big transformation in your life and there's a fresh new way that will emerge in your life for sure. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa lagpas. Ang aking eye galing pa sa aking tatay sa Professor Kumar at ang salita na nakalagay dito, ang sabi niya, kagaya ng nakaraan or past, if your dreams will be for your family, guarantee you, within this year, you will know the place, you will be proud of yourself, and excited for your success. Last one. I am very happy for you because not only you're going to have an attraction or you will attract things that you deserve dahil din ito sa determination mo. So with that,